Welcome! All of us at Concentra are very glad you've chosen to see us today. We're going to do our best to get you the treatment you need right here, right away. Your doctor will be with you soon. While you're waiting, let's talk about what you can expect from Concentra and your visit. So, you've been injured. Now what? When you suffer an on-the-job injury, it impacts your entire routine and can be hard to know what to expect. At Concentra, we know that it's important for you to get back to health and function quickly, which is why we take an active approach to injury care. Our clinicians work with you to keep you on your feet and keep your injury from disrupting your daily life. Your participation in treatment plans is equally important in injury care and prompt recovery. Our clinicians work with you to develop an active treatment plan, helping you heal faster and regain your entire function. You're probably wondering what your visit will be like and what you can expect. At Concentra, it's all about you and your experience with us, and we're dedicated to providing you with the best-in-class care. Along with personal service and caring clinicians, you and your employer are kept informed of your treatment and return-to-work plan. Your treatment plan starts with a thorough evaluation. Your doctor will ask you some questions about your medical history, how you're feeling today, and how your injury happened. These questions help them diagnose your injury and begin building the foundation for your treatment plan. Our clinicians are experienced with injuries like yours, and by using proven medical outcomes and years of experience, this means you'll receive the proper treatment from the start, helping to reduce the number of follow-up visits and the overall length of your injury. What happens next depends on how serious your injury is. Minor injuries like back pain, sprains, cuts, scrapes, eye infections, and minor burns can all be seen right away. You may not even need a follow-up. More serious injuries will still be able to be seen right away, but you may need to come back and see us or get physical therapy. If your injury is more serious, it may require an in-office procedure or special care, all of which we can help to coordinate and perform in the same location. We are focused on your care and making sure this experience is as easy and minimally disruptive for you and your employer. We are experienced in treating some of the most common work-related injuries, no matter what your role or industry. This includes acute fracture, back pain or strains, knee, shoulder, or ankle sprains, crush injuries, complex non-plastic lacerations, falls, cuts and minor lacerations, eye infections and styes, fingernail and toenail injuries, insect and bee stings, and minor burns. You might already be thinking about when you can expect to be better. Because of our active treatment approach, Concentra physicians will always recommend a treatment plan that stays as close to your usual routine as possible. This can mean that you can go back to work right after you get treatment, or that you're given a restricted duty plan that lets you stay at work but only allows you to do certain things. Sometimes your injury is serious enough that it's not safe for you to go back to work right away. In these cases, your doctor will work with you on a plan to help you recover safely. You might also be thinking about whether you will need physical therapy. Depending on your injury, your doctor might recommend that you see a physical therapist. Concentra physical therapists are part of your treatment team, but we take a different approach to physical therapy. We believe early on, high-frequency therapy to help increase healing and restore function equals faster recovery. With this approach, our expert therapist can shorten the full duration of your case. Throughout this video, we've said a lot about active treatment and how we believe it's the best and most effective way to treat your injury. But why? Put simply, we know it works. We've been treating injuries just like yours for a long time, almost 40 years. It's this experience that helped us create our active treatment approach. And after using it to treat millions of injuries over the years, we know it works. Today, almost 93% of work injuries seen at Concentra are recommended for return to work. You may still be wondering how Concentra is different from other providers. Well, for starters, We helped to develop the occupational medicine industry more than 35 years ago, and we have become the nation's largest workforce health provider. Every day, we treat thousands of employees at our more than 500 nationwide locations, in both community medical centers and employer-based on-site centers. In other words, we're the experts in workforce health, and we have been for a long time. No matter what brings you here today, we're here to help you get the best care possible. Thanks for seeing us today. We're glad we can help and provide you with quality care. If you ever need to see us again, remember, we're open 7 days a week, from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're here for you.